Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Let's do the backbend stretch on your ladder barrel.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So the backbend stretch is an awesome way to kind of end a session, but you know what? You can always start on your ladder barrel and kind of like use it as a lax exercise if you go to do your rest of your practice. I love the backbend stretch because it kind of combines your spine stretch forward with a swan. And if you're not ready for swan yet, but you're trying to work your way up, it's going to do those things. So if you're looking at this deck from the OnlinePilatesClasses.com barrels flashcards, first, thank you for getting the deck. Second, you'll see all the other complementary exercises that go with this exercise. You can see how they kind of work together. So you want to get yourself with your feet parallel and apart. And then I like to bend my knees so my sacrum gets on the barrel. So if you're fun size, you might not have to bend your knees, but I do, right? You wrap your arms around your waist, you round back, you articulate over the barrel, and then you reach your arms overhead and grab the top bar. You reach into your legs, you reach into your arms, big stretch. You're trying to become the shape of the barrel. Then you can grab your head if your neck is not used to being upside down like that. Round forward. Now, the important thing is not to push into the barrel, but you will slide your booty up it so you can get your legs to straight, and then you pulse 3 times. 2, 3. Oh my God, big stretch on the back. Then you round back, and you reach, and then you walk down another rung. So now you're trying to stretch even further. Then you will round up, and again, reach into the legs, but not leaning into the barrel. So your barrel shouldn't move around. 2, 3, and then we wrap our arms around our waist, round back. And now I can go down to the third rung and reach into my legs. Now, if you are getting to a place where you can reach with your arms, you can reach with your legs, and you could lift your legs off, that's when you want to go into the little circles, which we have in the flashcard deck. If you're not ready for that, that was a big back bend. You grab your head, you reach your arms up, and you pulse through. 1, 2, 3. Feel free to do that a couple more times. Now, I didn't put my barrel on anything sticky, so I really try to make sure I'm not pushing into the barrel to round up. When you're new, of course, you're going to do that. If you have questions about this or how to lead this into the small circles or the big circles, then please let us know in the comments below. Again, they'll be in the flashcards as well. We go live on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time answering your questions. If you're a member of OPC, we actually do look at your form and give you feedback on it. Even if we don't teach a barrels class, we'll still look at that for you so that you can actually get more connected to your practice. You want to go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube if you're not a member yet. Thank you so much.